Hello, good morning, and welcome to Morning Conversations with me. And oh my God, I just shared my first clipper. Kinakabahan ako. Pero I just shared my first clipper sa aking social media channels about this whole thing, this whole YouTube thing. And nakakaba pala talaga siya. Alam mo yung parang, sino ka ba te? Ba't ka kinakabahan? Pero I feel like this is my first time to really open my heart. As in, sobrang open ito kasi sobrang casual nitong journal entries na to, di ba? And, shinare ko siya kasi sabi ko, I don't want to hide anymore. I want more people to have their safe space, and I want more people to know na hindi sila nag-iisa sa buhay. Cause, ayun nga, sobrang raw ng journal entries na to. So, di ba, parang, even my family, hindi nila alam na nagaganto ko. Syempre, husband ko alam, di ba? So, ayun, yun lang naman. And, ang morning devotion ko kasi ay, where your heart is where your treasure is. And, I believe, dahil consistent na akong nag-show up sa channel na to, I think this is really where my heart is. I think, no, hindi ko think. I know na andito talaga ang puso ko in creating content, in just sharing my life. And alam mo yun, happy na ako na meron akong kadaldalan, kahit sarili ko lang. Kasi iba talaga yung level ng nakikilala mo yung sarili mo when you talk to yourself and just really give time na mag-deep dive with your thoughts. So, ayun. Ang haba ng aking journal entry today kasi hindi ako journal kagabi. Anyway, ang saya kasi meron akong trigger kahapon na sarili ko lang yung gumawa. Like, in-overthink ko lang yung sitwasyon. Tapos, ang na-realize ko din doon ay ang dami palang bagay na nagagawa ng tao because hindi regulated yung nervous system. Like, imagine kung hindi regulated yung nervous system ko kahapon. Siguro, nirelease ko siya sa ibang tao. Nagkaroon ako ng projection sa ibang tao. Pero na-deep dive ko siya in a sense na, shocks, kaya ako natitrigger cause yan yung mga dreams na hindi ko pa na-achieve. And I know in my heart that I still want to achieve that. But I have to park it for now kasi I have bigger things na inaasikaso ko now, na priority ko. But I know na gusto ko pa rin talaga ma-achieve yun at gusto ko yun ma-achieve with my family. Parang this time kasi it's not just me and my husband anymore. Hindi na lang kami. But we are also involving our family. And ayun, nakaka-happy din kasi yung trigger ko kahapon ay isa yun sa mga nakita ko din talaga yung growth. Like, ako yung kasama doon. So, nakita ko na kung paano nila dinream yung mga bagay na yun. Kaya nakaka-happy. As in, sobrang proud ako. Tapos parang, it really said so much about me and my journey than theirs, yung trigger ko kahapon. Kaya, ang saya. So, parang mas na-acknowledge ko pa all my feelings. Tas ayun, parang grateful din ako na I have the tools na to regulate my nervous system. That's really a big help for me, as in. And ayun. Ano pa ba nilagay ko dito? Meron akong, kanina yung thoughts ko ay, iniisip ko kung, do I really have the inner peace? Is it really me? Then, nung una, parang sabi ko, baka wala kasi sobrang long-term game. But that's the thing. It's future. Technically, hindi pa siya nag-e-exist. So, in-overthink ko na naman siya. So, this is actually anxiety. But, nilagay ko din dito na I trust na everything that I am doing now will flourish in the coming months or years. Para ngayon kasi nasa long-term game na rin ako eh. Like, the security, the peace that I can gain and my family can gain in the future once everything is already settled. Tapos, ang ganda nga, di ba, yung devotion ko, where your heart is where your treasure is. Tas, yun yung dinip dive ko din na parang sabi ko, ito pala talaga yung treasure ko, my family. Ang treasure ko pala talaga ay giving a comfortable life to my family and the people around me. Yun pala talaga yung gusto ko. And every time din na parang may namimit akong people, I keep on giving. Give lang talaga ako. Before, I feel like naubos na lang ako eventually. But this time, I am sure na I'm giving from overflow. Kasi lagi akong happy. Lagi ko rin feel na I am loved. I am here. Alam mo yun, parang ginawa talaga akong vessel ni Lord. And yun yung prayer ko last year. Every single day, yun yung prayer ko na, Lord, gawin mo lang akong vessel, ganyan. I don't want to have an unkind heart. Gusto ko lang magmahal. Gusto ko lang maging present para sa mga tao around me. Gusto ko lang mag-give, but with overflow na. So, yun yung nilagay ko. And, mayroon din prayer dun sa devotion ko. Tas may line dun, nilagay ko dito sa journal ko na, when people use my life, I want them to see you. And I think it's a beautiful thing. As in, nung nakita ko to, shucks, yun yung gusto kong mangyari. Because my life has been transformed by Him so many times. Grabe, parang sobrang totoo yung fall 7 times, stand up 8. Sobrang totoo yun sa buhay ko, as in. And I know na every time I stood up, I am with Him, as in. Kaya yun, parang ngayon, ang gusto ko na lang mangyari ay mag-give love ako sa ibang tao because I am also loved by God so much. And I hope today, you also feel that love. And if nag-overflow na yung love na yan sa'yo ni Lord, I hope you can also share that to other people because that's the only way na baka maisip din nila na they are also loved by God, di ba? Parang mag-fuel din tayo sa kanila ng fire to live again, to be present again in their life and to create. And I feel like because I am consistently showing up in this platform, I feel like ginagawa talaga akong vessel ni Lord sa pagyayap ko sa mga ganito. And grabe, parang everyday, my journal and my devotion intertwined siya, as in. Kaya 2026 for me is really integration. And I hope you find that fire in you too, to create and to express yourself and to give love. Because ang sarap magmahal, ang sarap. Ayun lang, dami ko sinabi, but bye! Oh, nakalimutan ko pala. Kung nahanap niyo ako, welcome to my channel. Ang weird!